You all are spies hired to watch a bird rumored to be sent by the enemies. And see.
What are we looking for? Like, what's the size of the beak?
Okay.
What's the size of the wings?
It's about 4 feet wide, actually.
4 feet wings.
It's about 6 feet wide.
Change.
12 feet wide.
Change.
24 feet wide. It's a freaking bird.
Change.
It's a freaking falcon.
So long.
Okay.
And black.
Change.
And white. So white. Spots all over.
So, how are we gonna, like, kill this thing?
Change.
So, how are we gonna, like, find this thing? So, how are we gonna, like, capture this thing?
Okay, so I put a giant bird cage.
It's a mother.
I put a giant bird
It's a
steel
father.
around my house. And I put bird seed in it.
They're
So
all feeding each other.
I put watermelons in it. So it should come right for it.
Okay. So, I'm thinking that you come in from the right.
Change.
And you come in from the left.
Change.
And you come in from up above.
Yeah. With the bird, right?
Yes,
With the bird. Okay.
You guys are not seeing this thing. It's doing what humans do. It's doing what CeeLo Green does.
What is it doing?
It's moonwalking.
No! Why is it moonwalking?
It must be Daffy Duck. It's a duck, not a bird. It's a duck.
I've heard Legend of Daffy Duck. We don't have anything. I've heard legends of Daffy Duck and Bugs Bunny. We can't do anything about this.
Bugs Bunny's
He
here
has
too?
a bunny on his back.
Change.
He has a dog on his back.
Change.
He has the Tasmanian devil on his back.
Oh no! Not the Tasmanian devil!
Change.
Not the Tasmanian angel!
Shh, it's getting closer. Don't make it move. Oh, wow.
Change.
Oh, gosh. Oh, darling. Oh, my gosh, this is beautiful.
Change.
This is tragic. Oh, my gosh. I can't believe what I'm seeing with my eyes.
Change.
I can't believe what I'm seeing with my follicles. I can't believe what I'm seeing with my nose. I smell it.
How far away is it?
About 2 feet away.
Change.
About 50 feet away. It's getting farther and farther and farther and farther.
We need to catch it!
We need to
get up! Come on!
All right, we have to do.
I'm pulling out my net.
Hold on, wait.
I'm pulling out my basketball. I'm pulling out my gun.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna call it.
Change.
I'm gonna make it.
Change.
I'm going to be pregnant.
I have a bird call.
Change.
Let me try. Come here, bird. Come here, falcon.
Wait. Hear me out. What if we...
Oh my God. He's flying.
Meow?
That might actually work.
No, it's coming in quicker.
Oh my God. It's bigger than we thought it was.